a little reading to start your week off on Monday. So I've got the zodiac signs here, and I'm going to pull a card per zodiac. I'm not going to pause the video. I'm going to do this in real time. So what do you need to learn to look at from tarot for each zodiac sign? Okay, right, so let's go. So these are shuffled, and this is how we're going to move forward. So the first sign is Aquarius. Okay, so we've got Aquarius, it's the first sign. Aquarius. Right, Aquarius, you need to make plans this week. So get off your butt. You need to make plans and start making decisions about how you need to move forward. Don't put it off to next week or the week after. This is all about decision making and taking movement. The universe is saying the world is in your hands, so have a bit of courage and faith stepping forward, okay? Right, the next card is the Sagittarius. So for Sagittarius, Eight of Cups, Sagittarians, you are going to have to walk away from a situation that is no longer serving you. Don't think about what you're leaving behind. Think about what you're walking towards, what awaits you when you leave behind this misery, right? Next card is Taurus. So what card for our little Taurians? For our little Taurians, our beautiful Taurus. My moon is in Taurus, actually. We have this. We have the Lovers, the Taurus. This could be a love connection for you coming in this week. There's a lot of passion, energy around this, sensuality. It's also a card about making good choices. You are going to make good decisions this week. Love is in the air for the Taurians. Oh, I'm shuffling. Look, I'm all flustered now. Oh, my moon's in Taurus. I wonder if love is in the air for me. Right. Could be. I do have a little crush. Right. Libra. What is happening with Libras? Libras, Ten of Pentacles. Expect a windfall this week. A windfall of money. This is actually life-changing money. You could win the lottery. Win the lottery. You could get an inheritance. You could get a fantastic new job opportunity. This is also a card of healing, though, the Ten of Pentacles. It's blessings, not just in abundance and wealth, but in healing. Well done. Beautiful Libras, air sign there. We've got Capricorn, lovely little goatees, lovely little Capricorns. Right, so Capricorn, serious, materialistic and hard-working. Cautious and ambitious little Capricorns. Because we say that, as we say that, the King of Pentacles said, this is actually Taurus energy as well, but this is the Capricorn. This is Earth energy, Caps. The King of Pentacles has come out for you. This is telling you a good offer is on the table this week. An amazing offer. It's going to seemingly come from nowhere. It's a solid offer. Take it. Take it. Right. We've got Speedy on along. Pisces, Pisces. Whenever I say Pisces, people moan at me. Pisces. I don't care. Right. Oh, is that the reversed Emperor? Someone is controlling, narcissistic, bad energy for you this week. Watch out for this reversed Emperor. Stay away from them. Do not get involved. Not my circus, not my monkeys. Gemini. My mother is a Gemini. The Peter Pan. The Peter Pan of the zodiac. Communicative, mischievous, lively and witty Geminis. Four of Pentacles. You're also jealous. There's also some little bit of jealousy coming up and possessiveness. Don't hold on too tight this week, Geminis. Right, Aries. Love an Aries. One of my children's is an Aries. Dynamic, spontaneous, crusading, impulsive. Aries energy. Eight of Pentacles. Use your energy, Aries, to direct it into your workflow this week, into perfectionism. Your hard work is paying off. Well done. Keep it up. Gotta love that for energy. That for Aries. Sorry, my back's hurting and I didn't mean to like stick my boobs out, but I need to stretch my back out. Aries has an amazing energy, and that energy, Aries, so these are the Queen of Wands, the Kings of Wands energy, that is going to push you in your side hustle, in your business, whatever you're doing to make money. Well done. Right. Scorpio. Ooh, intense, masterful, thoughtful, magnetically charming Scorpios. Also secretive and possessive. Yes. Right, you've got a lot of anxiety around you, Scorpio, this week. You're worrying intently about something. But if you notice, the swords aren't directed at you. They're directed away from you. So just be careful that actually you're worrying about a situation, one, you can't even control, so there's no point. So pray about it, journal about it, meditate on it, take a spiritual salt bath, because this could be also heavy energy from somebody else. So protect your energy, Scorpio. Right, Cancer. Cancers, emotional, sensitive, caring, loving Cancers. Beautiful mother-child energy there. 6 of Wands, Cancer. This is achievement and acclaim for you. So you could get acclaim in your work or in your personal relationship, somewhere that you've been for all the hard work that you've been doing. Cancerians, you know, remind me of the beautiful Queen of Cups energy, forever nurturing, caring, empathic. And you get it that often, not often, but because you're so giving, you know, you often attract people who don't really respect that and don't give back. So I feel like you're going to get the acknowledgement for the hard work that you've been putting in this week, Cancer. Leo. Leo's my sun sign. I was just going to say, where's Virgo? So Leo's my sun. I'm a Taurian moon in my relationships. Leo is my sun. It's my personality. So, flamboyant. Great energy, dramatic, proud, passionate. Focus on the important of self-belief, Leo. God damn. 5 of Wands, conflict. Oh, for fuck's sake. Right. Yeah, that's the other side of Leo. We tend to... Yeah. There's going to be some conflicts this week, Leos, but it's around you. Again, not my circus, not my monkeys. If all about them are... Right, let me get it right. What's the saying? If all about you are losing their head, keep yours on, okay? Remember that. So there might be some family conflicts, maybe conflicts at work. The energy around you, don't get pulled into it. Finally, Virgo. I'm a Virgo rising. So this is dutiful, hesitance, humble, discriminating, diligence, painstaking air. Yes, I am. Right, Virgos, what do we have for you this week? Knight of Cups, Virgos, little romance here. Someone is coming to sweep you off your feet, Virgos, or wanting to sweep you off your feet. So this is somebody who has been watching you from afar. This is somebody who has a romantic interest in you. This is somebody who... This could also be a development of you in an artistic area if you didn't want to look at it as a love card. It is quite a love card. The cups do talk about emotions. But again, you can look at this as very much the energy of artistic prowess and kind of that artisticness flowing to you, and the creativity and opening up to your creative powers and working on them. Okay, thank you so much and have a lovely week.